For years, I've thought that what I saw was just a bad dream. Something that couldn't possibly have been real. Why would it? Monstrous beings coming to get a helpless child from the shadows, poking their heads out from under the bed, peeking through the closet. Just a usual nightmare for a kid, right? No matter how real it felt. Well, most of what came after is foggy. Felt more like a dream than the actual nightmare itself. Mom came to rescue me. Picked me up and carried me away. I was scared for my life. It was the scariest moment of my life, for sure. I've never been a crybaby, though. Even when I was a kid, people have told me they've never seen me cry, or yell, or even scream. So even if I was terrified during all of it, I would have been silent the entire time. But that was the strangest thing about that night. Even though I never made a peep, as I was being taken outside by my mother, away from the nightmare, I still vividly remember hearing my own screams.
Nick? Nick? Fuck. What is happening? This isn't real. This isn't real. I'm just dreaming. None of this is real. God. Freddy? Freddy? What are you doing? What are you, Freddy? No! Oh God! No. What is this? Help! Somebody help! Mel? Nick? Anthony, Sam, where are you? What is going on? What is this? For the Monster Slayer. The monsters are around the house. Here's your trusty flashlight to slay them with. We hide from the monsters. They were weak to Mommy. So we hid where you always tell us to hide. Much love, Nick, Sam, and Anthony. Been, I don't know, hours, days. I don't think it matters here anymore. All the clocks in the house have stopped. I don't even think the sun is ever coming up. I'm not crazy. Whatever has brought them here must have done this too. I don't know how much time has passed. I just know that I can't leave. They're waiting for me outside. Only here is safe. I've left these messages for myself to remember. Help me remember what they do, how they act. I mean, they all want to get inside, but come on, you can do this. I can do it. Just okay. I'm using an old camera system I installed for fun in the house a long time ago. I've only managed to recover 3 of the cameras so far, but this is more than enough. I can watch the animatronics coming near me with these. 3 monitors, 3 entrances. They haven't come in a while, but I know they'll be back soon. They become impatient, louder, faster. Especially Foxy. Foxy, yeah, He's the one who's been tormenting me the most. I don't know where he comes from. I don't know how, but he just appears near an entrance. I can hear him coming. He growls and scrapes at the door. I just watch him through the cameras, and he eventually goes away. So I need to look at him in the monitors. I guess he doesn't like being watched, huh? Freddy, he's here. I can see him. He's not like the others. He just stands there. He knows he can't get to me. He's just waiting. I don't fully understand, but I know he isn't giving up. If I want to get out of here, I need to find him. I just know it. He's the key to this. God, I can't stay put here. I need to fight for my family. Oh, God, they must be so scared. He's gone. He's gone. Okay. I have a flashlight ready with me. This might be suicide, but I need to try. If I see Freddy again, I'll just open up the door and flash his eyes as soon as he's there. Yes, I can't let him hold me down like this forever. I just hope this works out. If it doesn't, then honey, kids, if you are hearing this, I love you. I hope you're safe. Chica appeared again. The stain on the wall came back too. God, I don't know. It's just so horrifying. She just wriggles and writhes back and forth, trying to get out of there. I know how to stop her, though. Whenever she shows up, her cupcakes just appear in my room or next to my room. I've seen them outside the entrances sometimes. Anyway, they just appear. And if I flash them with the light, they go away. There's 3 of them, I think. And if they go away, so does she. She's slow. Gives me enough time to find them. But I don't know how many places they can hide, so I have to search the room. I can do this. He broke it! The bastard broke the camera! Damn it! Bonnie just broke one of my cameras. I don't know what happened. He just appeared, and as soon as I realized he was there, he just took it down in one swing. They don't do that. None of them ever. I still think I can do this. I just need to not make eye contact. Do not look at Bonnie. He's too smart. All of them are getting smarter, angrier. They're helping me. All of them except Freddy. He hasn't appeared since last time. I need to find him. I can hear his laugh taunting me in the distance. That Right. I just need to react fast. Hey, Bonnie just keeps moving around. If I just ignore him, he'll go away. Now, where in the world are you, Freddy? All right. Mika. I did it! I did it! I finally got him! Ah, I knew Freddy had something to do with this. I just opened the door and aimed at his eyes with my flashlight. He got staggered and left. Everything's gone quiet again. The cameras are back to normal. The clocks have started to move as well, and 6 a.m. Yes, 6 a.m. I just need to wait for 6 a.m. Just like it's always been. The only clock that's still frozen is above the door. It did move slightly at first, but now it's stopped again. I should keep track of it just in case. I guess this is my final recording then.
Do you believe in spirits? Many do. Many claim they've seen one or have heard stories of people being haunted by these white figures, or oily shadows. My dad made a game series about it. A horror franchise, in fact. It was his shining achievement. Apparently there was a time when everybody knew about it, all over the world. Clothing, toys, accessories, board games, you name it. Five Nights at Freddy's was everywhere. There were even rumors of it getting a movie. Well, it didn't last long anyway. Nobody remembers it anymore, nor the characters, the games, or my father. After that night, it all went away. Nothing lasts forever, and that's why I don't believe in spirits. Everyone has to die. Everything has an end at some point. Even if that point comes sooner than you'd wish.
Hello? Kids? Are any of you there? I found your note. Daddy's here. You must be really scared, but I'm here. Ah! Why are you doing this to us? Why? Just leave us all alone, you monsters! I created you. Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy. How is this happening? What are you? You are not them. You're just using their faces. What are you?
Your creation. I'm sorry.
Hehehe